Most people use Coinbase wrong, not because they buy the wrong coin, because they do not know what bucket Coinbase belongs in. Today, I am going to show you what Coinbase actually is inside a real financial system, where it fits, where it does not, and the 3 things about it that change what you pay in fees. Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Launched in 2012, headquartered in San Francisco, publicly traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker COIN, and serving tens of millions of users across more than 100 countries. It is a custodial, centralized exchange, meaning Coinbase holds your crypto on your behalf, the same way a bank holds your dollars. You can buy, sell, store, earn rewards, and stake certain assets inside the app. It is the platform most Americans use as their first crypto on-ramp. That word, on-ramp, is going to matter in the next beat. On this channel, we categorize every platform by function, not by hype. The 4 functions are on-ramp, how money gets into the system; cash layer, where you hold dollars between deployments; yield venue, where idle assets earn; redundancy anchor, your backup against any one platform failing. Coinbase fills 2 of those slots. It is an on-ramp because it is how most people convert dollars into crypto. And it is a yield venue through Coinbase Earn rewards and staking. It is not a cash layer. Your dollars do not earn meaningful interest sitting on Coinbase. And it is not a redundancy anchor. Putting all of your crypto on one exchange is the opposite of redundancy. Knowing those 2 slots is the difference between using Coinbase intentionally and using it by default. Setting up Coinbase takes about 10 minutes. Step 1, download the app or go to coinbase.com. Step 2, create an account with email and a strong password. And turn on 2-factor authentication immediately, not later, immediately. Step 3, identity verification. This is standard for any US regulated financial platform. You will submit a government ID, your name and address, and a quick selfie. Step 4, connect a payment method. Coinbase supports bank transfers via ACH, debit cards, PayPal in some regions, and wire transfers. ACH is slowest but cheapest. Cards are instant but the highest fee. Wires are fast and moderate fee. Once your account is verified and a payment method is linked, you are ready to use the platform. Before you do, the fee structure matters more than most people realize. Here is where most beginners overpay. When you tap the simple buy button on the main Coinbase app, you are routed through a retail flow that historically has carried noticeably higher fees than the same trade done through Coinbase Advanced. Coinbase Advanced is the trading interface. The same Coinbase, same account, same custody, just a different screen. It gives you limit orders, market orders, and a real order book. Same trade, materially lower fees. Use it. On the yield side, Coinbase Earn pays small amounts of crypto for completing short learning tasks, historically a few dollars per project. Staking yields on assets like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Tezos, and Polygon have historically ranged from low single digits up to higher single digits per year. Those rates change frequently. Verify the current rates on Coinbase.com before depositing. Every platform carries risk. Coinbase carries 5 specific ones. Counterparty risk. Coinbase holds your assets in custody. If Coinbase has a major operational failure, your access to those assets goes through them. Regulatory risk. Coinbase has been the subject of SEC actions in the past. Outcomes change which products are available to US customers and when. Liquidity risk. Withdrawal windows can extend during high-volume events. Plan for delays, not instant access. Custodial chain risk. Not your keys, not your coins. If self-custody matters to you, Coinbase is a starting point, not an end point. Terms change risk. Fee schedules, supported assets, and staking availability change. Yesterday's setup is not guaranteed to be tomorrow's setup. I am not telling you to put money into Coinbase. I am telling you what bucket it fits in. Whether it belongs in your system depends entirely on what you already have. I am not telling you which coin to buy. I am not telling you when to buy. I am not telling you how much. And I am not telling you that the staking rates I mentioned are the staking rates you will get. Those change weekly. Verify before you deploy. Your job is to know the platforms. The system is yours to build. Coinbase fills 2 slots in the framework, on-ramp and yield venue. Use it for those. Build the other 2 slots somewhere else. If you want to see how Coinbase fits next to 3 other platforms in a real system, the free Obsidian metrics community has the full framework. Link in the description. Inside the community, the classroom has a full breakdown of where Coinbase sits across our system library. Quick disclosure before I close. The Coinbase link in the description is an affiliate link. If you sign up through it, both of us may receive a referral bonus from Coinbase at no additional cost to you. I am not a financial advisor, educational only. Not financial advice, results not guaranteed. We are not financial advisors. Verify the current state of any platform on its official site before deploying capital.